Hi guys, this is a type of a quick video, okay? In case you're having this type of flickering, you can notice it here, you can see it here, you can see it here. It might be related to just a single slider. Let's go here, render, real time, Lumen, global illumination, lighting, update speed. If you have max update setting and you don't even know what this does, well, you're probably causing this problem you're seeing that you want to resolve by other means, and the only thing you need to do is to reduce the value. Hey, seems like magic, right? Check it here, check it here. We take it to the max. We have flicker. We take it to 0. No flicker. Like some magic, okay? But hey, this is not all. You need to understand what this value does, okay? If you decrease it, you need to understand what other things are you affecting. If you put your mouse on top of the lighting update speed option, it says the speed at which Lumen updates real-time global illumination. And how can we see this in effect? So let's take this to 4. Let's go to environment, and I'm going to take my intensity from the HDRI to 0. And it starts to change the lighting, and it's now dark. Let's take it back to 20. We see how it progressively changes and calculate the illumination of it all. But what about if we take this now to 0? Yeah, this looks awesome, no flickering. But if we now take this to 0, it kind of takes much more time to do this. From day to night, it takes a lot more time, especially when you're turning off lights. And this is something you need to keep in mind, because depending on the type of project you are working, you might need this process to be quick or to be slow. And if you take this value to a lower value, you will stop the flickering, but light changes will calculate much more slowly. If you take this further, it will calculate the light changes more quicker, but you will have this flickering. So it all depends on what you're doing. If you're doing some type of configurator, some kind of real-time experience that doesn't need to turn on lights from all the scene or change the ambient settings, the environment settings, you can take this to 0 and your scene looks really great, and it does not affect anything else. If you really like Twinmotion and want to learn more about it, some tricks and tips, you can check our next video. Or if you want to learn how to use Twinmotion, you can start doing it with our course. You can find a link to it in the description down below and in the pinned comments. There's a special discount for it in the comment section.